This is genetic video 7 and I chose prompt 1. So this is my phylogenetic tree. This tree is rooted because this internal node here represents a common ancestor for all of the OTUs. OTU is operational taxonomic unit, which are the shapes that you see here. The branches represents evolutionary connections between organisms. The shorter the branch, the closer the organisms are related to each other. Internal nodes are common ancestors that existed before divergence. For example, this internal node represents a common ancestor before they diverged into different sizes. The node also represents its most recent common ancestor, since this is the most recent common ancestor that existed before it diverged into two different sizes. The shortest distance in the tree are between the OTU that has the same color, shape, but different size. For example, the normal sized black triangle and the smaller black triangle. They are the most closely related because they only differ in size. The second shortest distance is between the same shape but different color, like the black triangle and the red triangle. The common ancestor here diverged into two different colors. The next shortest distance is between the square and the trapezoid. That is because they share the same four-sided shape design. The trapezoid later diverged right here into different sizes and color. The fourth shortest distance is between square and triangle. This is because if you cut a square diagonally, you get triangles. Since two triangles make a square and two triangles can make a trapezoid, the distance between triangle and trapezoid are further away compared to square and triangles. And the distance between trapezoid and triangles are the furthest since they share the latest common ancestors at this internal. The outgroup in the tree is this rectangle. This is the OTU that diverged earlier than all the other OTUs. Branches are where anagenesis are occurring. For example, initially, the divergence of the smaller trapezoid occurring here, it doesn't look like the final OTU. Through genetic accumulation, it gets to the final size that you see here. Cladogenesis happens when the common ancestor diverges. For example, the common ancestor here diverges into two different colors and two different OTUs.